In this video, we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here we have x times x times x minus x times x. This is equals to 100. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. In left hand side, we have here x times x times x. This is x power 3 minus, and here x times x, this is x square, and this is equals to 100. In left hand side here x power 3 and here x power 2. So here this 100, if we write 100 is same as 125 minus 25. In left hand side x cube minus x square, and this is equals to this 100 is same as 125 minus 25. X power 3 minus x power 2, this is equals to 125 is 5 power 3 minus 25 is 5 power 2. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x power 3 minus x power 2 minus 5 power 3 plus 5 power 2, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, x power 3 and here minus 5 power 3. So first if we write x power 3 and then write 5 power 3, and here minus x square, and here plus 5 power 2 plus 5 power 2, and this is equals to 0. We have x power 3 minus 5 power 3, and here minus x power 2 plus 5 power 2, minus x power 2 plus 5 power 2, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x is equals to a and 5 is equals to b, then this expression is a cube minus b cube minus a square plus b square, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, we have a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube, and here if we take common negative sign, then here a square minus b square, and this is equals to 0. We know that factor of a cube minus b cube is a minus b is multiplied by a square plus a times b plus b square, and factor of a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Now here a minus b and here a minus b. A minus b is common factor in left hand side, so if we take common a minus b, then you will get here a square plus ab plus b square, and then minus a plus b, and this is equals to 0. Now value of a is x and value of b is 5. So this a is replaced by x minus, and b is replaced by 5. And here a is replaced by x square plus this a is replaced by x, b is replaced by 5 plus b is replaced by 5 square minus bracket a is replaced by x plus b is replaced by 5, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 5, this is multiplied by x square plus x times 5 is 5x plus 5 square is 25. This negative sign is multiplied by x plus 5, then you will get minus x minus 5, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have x minus 5. This is multiplied by here x square, and here 5 times x, and here minus x. This is 4 times x. X square plus 4 times x, x square plus 4 times x, and look carefully here we have 25 minus 5, this is plus 20, here plus 20, and this is equals to 0. Now if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. This expression is a and this expression is b. If you apply here this rule, then you can say x minus 5, this is equals to 0, or x square plus 4x plus 20, this is equals to 0. Here first value of x is equals to 5. Let's say this value of x is x1, this is equals to 5. This is our first solution. Now look carefully, here we have a quadratic equation in terms of x square plus 4x plus 20, and this is equals to 0. Here value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 4 and value of c is equals to 20. And we know that quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 4 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 4 square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is 20, and divide by 2 times value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 20 is 80 and divide by 2. Then value of x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 84, this is minus 64 and divide by 2. Then x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 64 is same as square root of minus 1 into 64 and divide by 2. Then x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, this expression is same as square root of minus 1 times square root of 64 and divide by 2. Then x is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 64 and value of square root of minus 1 is iota divided by 2. Then here x is equals to minus 4 plus minus, and we know that square root of 64 is 8. So here 8 times iota divided by 2. Now in right hand side we will apply this rule, a plus b over c, this is equals to a over c plus b over c. If we apply this rule in right hand side, left hand side we have x, this is equals to minus 4 over 2 plus minus 8 times iota divided by 2. Now x is equals to minus 4 divided by 2, then here minus 2 plus minus 8 divided by 2, then here 4 times iota. We have second solution, x2, this is equals to minus 2. If we take positive sign, 4 times iota. And third solution, x3, this is equals to minus 2 minus 4 times iota. In this question we have 3 solutions. One is a real solution, that is 5, and 2 imaginary solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.